I've never had something I couldn't destroy before.
I think this needs to be a contest. You need to give the excavator over to Ryan now and give him a 5 minutes.
We're back for day 2 of our septic tank move. In the earlier episode, we showed the preliminary details, right? We showed locating the pipe where we wanted to make the connection. We had to do a lot of measurement to make sure that we've got the septic tank in the exact right spot. Our new building is gonna connect to the house back here. Our new shop is gonna be over here. And so having this septic 10 foot away, at least 10 foot away from each of those buildings, that's the provocation for the move, and that's why we had to get these measurements pretty good. We just don't have a lot of space. The finger system is in front of me behind where the camera is, so there's just not a lot of space here. We showed finding all those pipes, we showed putting the tank in and leveling it. Today, we're doing the plumbing, and if I don't fall in the hole, we'll get started. So Ryan is finally getting to what I really brought him here to do. Cutting the existing septic line and putting it together. And you know, the smell of that, I just decided I needed help.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one to myself.
He's excited about this, isn't he? No, seriously, Ryan's certified or licensed at the septic installs, and so I had to have him, right? This is not a job that you can do DIY. You have to get a permit and you have to have a certified installer to do it. We've connected here. We're going to put 45s on here and go to the inlet of the septic, and then we'll work on the output.
You know what, Tim? I think a DeWalt saw would work a lot better on this, for instance.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
You're going to gang up on me too?
Dave's got a good point. Maybe DeWalt will see this and kind of help you out with that a little bit.
Yeah, right.
Now, this is just a dry fit.
Okay.
We haven't glued anything yet. We're not going to till get everything fit together. Hey, there's your water, Christy.
Oh, lovely.
Check it with the level. If that's okay, I'll go through, get everything vertical, mark it, and glue it together. The older style cleanouts
We're one way.
just one way. Oh, it's probably hard to make that out. The old style was like that, so they did work, they did serve their purpose, being able to clean out. The problem is what if something happened upstream or the opposite way? Can't really.
It is interesting that clean out's faced toward the septic tank.
Yeah, which you do. It was aimed in the right direction, but sometimes you'll have a stop or something.
Sure.
Upstream. I learned this from another mentor that puts these systems in. He said, put these 2-ways in.
Yeah.
And you know what? I think it's like $5 more for a 2-way.
Yeah.
It's genius. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than hiring a guy like me to come in and dig up your yard just to put something like that in because you can't get to it. Have at it, doctor.
Purple primer.
Don't be chancy with it. You still got a half a can.
Okay, okay.
There you go. You know what, Christy? You want to like flush the toilet or something or other?
Not
Seriously,
yet.
make sure what's there before, if there's anything to get caught before.
I hope it comes out here rather than out.
True story. Did she forget?
Probably still peeing. You asked! There we go.
Everything come out okay?
We were going to ask you the same question.
All I did was flush.
There must have been toilet paper stuck somewhere.
Must have been, because all I did was flush. I
It's a
didn't.
surprise. Stick that on there. There you go.
See, I did all this all by myself.
Good job, Tim.
Yeah.
Hey,
Take the credit.
I'll hire you in a heartbeat. I suppose this is the only bit you have.
Yeah, it's the only one of those I got, and I checked, and Menards doesn't have any either.
Really?
So you know,
I just get a kit, see?
so if you lose that,
it's kind of like a 10 millimeter, you know, they never buy it like in 5-packs or sell it in 5-packs.
Yeah, so
You got to buy the whole set.
if you drop that one, we're totally out of business. We're lined up now. I've got another one. Dag nabbit, we don't have very many more though.
Did he just ask you about that?
Oh, well, we knew it was going to happen. But
that was good. Really good. I'm proud of you. It's way down in there in the bottom.
No getting it now.
No, there's already foreign matter in there now.
what'd you do?
I don't want to drop it either. You think I want
you
that
put
one?
it in a drill.
Yeah.
That's good.
You think I want that one on me? Mm-mm.
Yeah, especially his last one. The whole
Losing
I
Tim's
fired
tools.
myself.
The whole project is done.
I fired myself from it.
Yeah, you did. It's a good thing I'm here to save the day.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are pumping out the old tank, and then, yeah.
That worked out good.
Now you're empty. Folks are always concerned about driving heavy equipment over their septic tank. We've got nothing to lose with this one, so let's try it right now. I push off some of the dirt here with the blade. You can see the riser here. I broke it accidentally with the bucket. What do you think? Is the excavator going to bust it? I'm right on top of it.
Yeah, you are. You're down to it.
I'm telling you, they're stronger than you think they are.
Maybe not the lid.
Maybe not the lid.
This whole side's about to fall off. I want to pick some of it off. Bring it in towards you. There you go. You got it.
Pull that on up because it's going to settle. See, we don't want it tight. If we want it tight, we want it tight upward. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. Wow, for once you make sense, Tim.
Yeah, I actually might have had a smart thought. Let's try another trip back across it. Maybe if I get the dirt off of it and I'm driving directly across the concrete.
Keep that close, we'll throw it back in the tank.
Well, I just got a whiff, and it's not exactly smelling good over on this side of the house.
I'm gonna try it again.
I'm gonna move.
Yeah, that's a good idea. He's right on it.
I think all the fear's overrated.
Yeah, some of the older tanks are a lot thinner than the newer ones. That's a newer style tank. So they have been pretty successful on reinforcing the tanks now.
That's pretty good, I would say. We're really thankful for Christy's dad, actually. Christy was talking to him last night, and he said, hey, make sure that you go ahead and put in your inlet to this septic system for the new office bathroom. And I don't know why I didn't think of that. I mean, that's obvious. That's the whole reason we're doing this. So we've got a T here this morning. We're going to cut out and put right here, or a Y. And with that Y, we're just going to put a little stub out here, hopefully far enough to get under the foundation of the new building, or in the foundation. It'll probably have to be concreted in. But the idea is just get it through here, and then it will be exposed. We'll put a cap on it, exposed inside the foundation area going forward. That should be good enough that we can get to it later for the build. Good news, the health department, Clayton was just here from the health department, and he approved everything Ryan did and rejected everything I did. The even better news is that Ryan did it all and I didn't do anything, so nothing got rejected. So no, he gave us all good news. I don't think we've got any issue there. He said that we should be in compliance for the new building. Once we submit that, it won't even cost me another permit fee.
That's top notch right there.
I'll buy you one more cheeseburger
Really?
because of all this.
Man, I'm almost going to owe you money after this is said and done.
Well, let's consider that. I kind of like that idea.
Maybe you didn't hear that.
Now, Ryan, when I want to do something really destructive, I put this work bra grapple on.
Looks kind of mean.
It is. Now, I'm not sure, it may not fit in the hole here, but
No.
is there a lid or?
Sometimes there is. Well, just use it as a sort of a jackhammer then.
As a hammer, okay.
Go in between the two holes. Try to hit it in between the two access holes. It's about the weakest point.
Go that way a little bit.
Whoops. I've never had something I couldn't destroy before.
Ryan wants to try.
Yeah, I'm waiting patiently.
Think you could swing a sledgehammer and make if you could get the hole big enough, I could get my grapple
You
in.
really think I want to swing a sledgehammer?
I think you want to look tough.
Wait.
No.
I think this needs to be a contest. You need to give the excavator over to Ryan now and give him a 5 minutes. It's on, baby.
I've already broke it.
No.
Really?
You haven't even cracked it.
I'm going to claim credit.
Yeah, that's what you
Then
do
I'll
with
make
me.
you look good. How about that?
That's right. Come here, he is. Victory!
Didn't even take 5 minutes.
I just refused to hit it where he told me to hit it.
I was telling you to hit it where I did.
I know, and I didn't pay any attention.
You had selective hearing like I do. Here, Tim, I'll let you have all the... I got the hard part done.
Yeah, you got all the fun. Go ahead and finish now. You get to finish.
Lord. Okay. Woo!
Oh my goodness, now it stinks. Woo!
I thought I had pushed the record button on the little camera here, and apparently I had not. So sorry, I don't have a lot of great video of inside the septic tank.
Oh my goodness, wow. At least the sand doesn't work too hard.
No, it's actually kind of pleasant working the sand. At least it'll keep it from settling. Right there, Tim. After this, once he runs over it a few times, it'll be okay.
Got to comment on the last episode. A guy a little upset that we were using such large equipment. We usually try to use about the smallest equipment we can to solve the problem, and quite frankly, we've done that here. We could not have dug the hole for this tank with any of the backhoes that we have. And if you watch that prior video, you'll see the walls started falling in. For certain, there's no way we could have kept the bottom of that hole clean. The other aspect is management of the spoils. We've discussed that at length with the backhoe. There's just no way to get the spoils far enough from the hole or digging area with a small backhoe for this size project. Our fleet has grown over the years, and this allows us to tackle larger and larger projects. We appreciate you, our viewers, following along for all of these years. Ryan, we've been playing in the dirt now for several days.
I wouldn't say it was dirt. Kind of a mix, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess you're right about that. Sometimes the smell around here was worse than others. But I think it's all enclosed now.
That's a big relief seeing this covered up.
Yeah, this was fun. I've enjoyed this.
Absolutely.
We've had a couple of hiccups, just things that we found in the existing system that weren't quite perfect, and we got those fixed, so I feel better about that. We didn't even know about them before, but now they're fixed.
I guess everything happens for a reason, so I guess it's a good thing we had all of your yard carved up at once.
Now we've got area back here that we don't have enough fill in for the building. I think I'm probably going to take out a little more topsoil along there, and we'll have to get a lot more sand in here or some sort of substrate for the foundation of the concrete. It's going to be a slab out here for the office section. We'll hopefully take care of that. I mean, how many days and weeks are we going to have like this in the middle of winter? So this has gone pretty good, but
well, we have a snowstorm coming in right over, within hours. So
within hours, yeah, probably 2 hours from now, it's supposed to start snowing, and they're saying 40 miles an hour wind. And as it is, you've already taken off your coat, and I should take off mine. It's nice, but I think we've got time for one more cheeseburger.
I can't turn down one of your cheeseburgers.
Okay, wish you guys could join us, but thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time on
Tractor Time with Tim.
My offenses will be sealed up in a bag. You will cover over my sin.